Hey everyone, I'm Sushruth and I work on Bito. In this walkthrough, I'm going to give you a demonstration of our newest addition in Bito's IDE extension, which is reviewing uncommitted changes. So if you've been using Bito before, you know that whenever you type this command, add code review, you get four options: local changes, staged changes, review via specific file path, or review a specific commit ID. But now we have this fifth option, which is uncommitted changes. This allows you to review all uncommitted modifications, which includes local and staged changes. So if you look at my source control here, you'll see that I have some staged changes and some local changes. In my staged changes, I have this event bus where I'm registering a listener and I do not unregister it anywhere in the code. This creates a memory leak problem in Java, pretty common. Now, when you come and have a look at my local changes, you'll see that I have this static method where I'm demonstrating a null pointer. So this gives me a null pointer exception. So if I run Bito's AI code review for uncommitted changes, it should give me both of these problems and it should give me suggestions to solve both of these problems. One problem is in staged, one is in local. So let's have a look. I'm running the review here and the result is here. So I ran code review for uncommitted changes, an essential review, and here are the details. First one, memory leak problem. This is from my staged changes. Event listener captures request context and is never unregistered from global event bus. Now we have the fix here, the file, and the code suggestion. I can just one click apply through this and I'll be good to go. Now the second issue, intentional null pointer exception in demonstrate null pointer method. So it says intentional here because of my comment that I am using this intentionally, but you get the point here, right? We also have the fix, the file, and then the code suggestion. So I had two different types of changes, staged and local. I had memory leak problem in staged, and I had null pointer exception problem in local change. And the uncommitted changes review gave me both of these. Pretty cool, right? So this is the new feature that we have added to Bito's IDE extension. Please try it out and let us know what you think. Thank you.